Your TN worker's visa is going to expire in the next 6 months, but they've proven themselves to be a great addition to your company and you want to know how to renew their visa. What are your options for visa renewal? Sarah Wingard here from Wingard Law and Three Amigos Recruiting. At Wingard Law, we handle a heck of a lot of TN application, including TN renewals. And at our sister company, Three Amigos, we recruit Mexican engineers and scientific technicians to work up in the United States on TN visas. So if you have a need for either or both of these services, please click on the link below, the show notes, and schedule a free consultation with either one of our lawyers or one of our recruiters down in lovely, lovely Guanajuato, Mexico. Okay, so your first option, consulate appointment. The worker can return to Mexico and attend another consulate appointment like they did when they initially got their TN visa. They bring paperwork to show that the job qualifies for a TN visa and that the worker in particular qualifies for the visa as well as the job qualifies for the visa. You must remember that a TN visa has non-immigrant intent, so the worker must still have the intent in their mind to leave the United States after this new visa renewal expires. Now, because this is a renewal application, the worker should bring paperwork demonstrating their ties to Mexico. This will show the consular officers that even if they're asking for permission to work up in the United States, let's say for another 4 years, that they still have that intention in their mind to return to Mexico at the end of the 4-year visa that will hopefully be granted. Now, the fee for a consulate appointment is $185. It can take anywhere from 2 days to 5 months to get a visa appointment. This is January 2024. Now, your second option, filing what's called an I-129 with USCIS. This can be done if you don't want your worker to leave the United States. You can simply file this form, which includes the same paperwork for the consulate appointment. The I-129 is nice because it's fast and the worker doesn't need to leave the country. Now, if you choose to file with premium processing, it will cost an additional $2,500 plus the $500 or so in government filing fees. But if you do use premium processing, the government will process your paperwork in 15 calendar days. By 2024 U.S. immigration standards, that is warp speed at this point. But as I filmed this video in January 2024, even if you don't want to pay the $2,500 for premium processing, right now, most applications are being processed in about 30 days. So if you're planning ahead well enough, it's very likely you don't have to pay that premium processing fee, and your worker could stay in the United States while the paperwork is processing. So there you have it. Sarah Wingard from Wingard Law and Three Amigos Recruiting, legally recruiting to save you.